I'm gonna show you guys the trade I am in. This is currently what I am in. I'm gonna go break even here. Actually, I'm gonna go here with my sell stop. So I'm risking this much. If we get back up here, I want to sell 2. Or actually, I'll sell 3. So we have 4 running. Gotta put the stop loss at 4. See what happens here. I just call this a day, to be honest with you guys. We hit a 1 to 2, and we're $90 in profit. Oh, this looks sweet though. The 5-minute, we have this imbalance here. We inversed it, came into this 5-minute imbalance, respected it. We already have a 5-minute break of structure. Go to the 1-minute, see what happens here. We could end up dumping to these lows. Cause that's what I wanted for NQ today. I really wanted to see bearish moves. But let's see what happens. I'm gonna go in paper trading just because I'll tell you guys a little story later on. This is like my mess around time, I guess you could say. Yo, is it dark? I think that's way better. Anyways, for whoever watches these videos, I hope your week was good. I hope you're in profit. I hope everything is well. If you're not doing well, then God's always there, my boy. God's always there. Let's keep this hustle. Let's keep going. Don't give up. Push forward. Whatever it is in life, never give up because you only lose when you give up. I have a good feeling we're gonna dump. We inverse these two. Let me go on the 5-minute. NQES. Oh yeah. Watch this. The cool thing about paper trading is I forgot you can sell. You can literally place a sell and then move your stop loss or take profit. 946, 953, 946, 953, and Q. Yeah, I'm gonna push it. I'm gonna put that sell order in, boys. If it lets me. Come on, man. How much is this? 11%. I don't think it's gonna come all the way up there. 0.18. Take profit. We could say these lows. See how this plays out. Live market execution, boys. If we break down these lows, take two. Again, right? I'm gonna go here, break even, plus 2 ticks. Boom. Would have known we would be paper trading on the tube. This is a paper trading. The first trade you guys saw me take was my actual trade. This one is a paper trade. A trade, right? You see, we only got a probably like a 1-to-1. Yeah, we got a 1-to-1 at least. Yo, my mic was all the way down here, bro. My mic was in Narnia. Yo, if the audio is bad for the execution and all that, I'm so sorry. Yesterday, I ended up not posting a video because I didn't end up trading this session that I usually trade, right? After I didn't trade that session, I ended up going back PM session and I lost like 150 around there. Let me show you guys the funded. So remember, we were at 49,900. So I lost like 150. I was at 7. I'll show you guys the funded. As you can see, we were at 49,787. We lost 300, which was our risk management. Yesterday, I lost 119. I didn't trade, and then I went back PM session and I lost 120. And that's why I didn't post a YouTube video, because I was in my bag. I'm gonna keep it real. I even told one of my friends I didn't trade today, and I went back PM session and I did it. If you can relate, that's funny. Which put me at 787, 5090. So 787. Quick maths calculator. Let me drag down here. So since we were at, well, we're at 5090 minus 49 787, 303 on the day today. 303 on the day today. Alrighty, so let's get down and gritty. Show these executions. Okay, so keep it simple. Longed it from here, stop loss here, got out here. So we almost had a 1-to-2. It was a 1-to-1.93. Let's get down to the bias. So today, same thing, kept it simple, right? I see that we have, you guys saw the executions. I'm going to take this off now. So I see that we have this 4-hour unmitigated area. Let me delete this as well. We have this 4-hour unmitigated area, and I see that we have this imbalance here as well. I didn't mark this because I just saw it. Like, I see we have this for our imbalance that we came down and respected. I'm gonna delete this red line. These red lines are the macro. So we come down and come back up just to respect. And then on the hourly, I see that we're already like forming bearish form, right? So I was pretty bearish today. I wanted to see price maybe come up and then I'll just take it to the downside. But on the hourly, this is what I marked. So I marked these hourly lows, I marked these hourly highs, relative equal highs, right? So that made my bias pretty bullish as well. Today was one of those days where it's like I just played off of what price gave me. So and it's still like this price action isn't the best. That's like if I'm being honest. Same with ES. So I marked out these hourly lows, hourly highs. And this up here is a 1 hour unmitigated area as well with here. Looks like we're tapping it now. So yeah, that's as you can see, I had both sides marked out. So it's like whatever price action gave me, that's where I was taking it, or whatever it swept out, right? So let's scale down to the 15-minute. On the 15-minute, I try to like really see what market's doing, right? So I try to see what market's respecting, what market is doing. So we have all this move down, right? We come down and we inverse this imbalance on the 15-minute. And then we have some retracement, right? We come back down and I'm just patiently waiting, seeing what's going on. And I see we keep coming back up. So to me, that's when I switched my whole bias to bullish. I was no longer waiting for it, like not waiting for it, but I was no longer really bearish, even though we swept out highs on ES. I had to be patient because ES swept out highs first and then NQ didn't. So I just had to be patient, see what price action did. So on the 5-minute, I'm glad I got out, to be honest, because I would have gotten stopped out for sure. Let's see. Oh yeah, we entered here. Price came back, retraced to this imbalance. Yeah, it's fine though. So let's continue. So we had a 5-minute SMT. Boom, boom, right? Yes. ES is the one not lagging. NQ is lagging. So I scale down after that. And I see that we break structure here on the 5-minute. I don't know what this is doing here. And for me, by the way, the sweep was this. So like the 15-minute sweep to these lows. This was the sweep. And then the SMT that we had was the just another add-on. And then this 5-minute break of structure, I scaled down to the 1-minute. And I was actually going to take it from down here because, I mean, I saw price coming up, coming back now. And then I was still bearish at this time, though. I was just, this would have been my entry to the downside if I saw more confluences here. But I didn't see it, so that's why I switched my bias. And then this huge move up happened. And this happened like right before I changed my bias to bullish. But it's happened, and then I simply just waited for equilibrium to be hit and a 1-minute entry with a candle respect. You know, we come down, boom, I enter, and I take it up to a 1 to 1.93, almost a 1 to 1 to 2. So that's basically how I found my bias. That's what I did today. I was pretty bearish today. I don't know if the other traders are gonna say that, but for my bias, my personal point of view, I was pretty bearish. But yeah, guys, I didn't make a video yesterday, so I owe you guys a video. Kind of sucks that we caught a move, but we didn't catch the move. You know what I mean? Came back down. That's kind of crazy though. I see what ES hit. ES hit this 5-minute unmitigated area. Came down, hit it, came back up. Anyways, guys, like and subscribe, comment. Instagram's in the description. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.